Remember this point. Argue for your limitations. Sure enough, they are yours. No, I can't do meditation. I am a very weak fellow. I can't control my mind. I can't open my third eye. If you use such words, that's what is going to happen. Because you are arguing for your own limitations. If you argue for your own limitations, that's what is going to happen. Never allow your mouth to work against you. So you must be very, 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 very careful in opening your mouth and letting one word come out. In Pyramid Spiritual Society Movement, we give training to all the people how to open the mouth.